Hello and welcome to Voyage Clinics. I'm Dr. John Sanders. I started Voyage Clinics about 6 years ago here in Utah County. I just noticed over the last more than 10 years of being a doctor that healthcare is broken in a whole bunch of ways. I'm trying to fix healthcare and do what we can as a board certified family physician to really deliver good care to our community. We serve local families, individuals, as well as small companies, and we're just able to be more available and accessible to those folks. Voyage Clinics has evolved over the last 6 years. We now have a built-in sleep coach program. We have mental health component built in. We also have strength coaching and conditioning coaching, and then a health coach program as well. It's been a really fun journey to advocate for beautiful, affordable healthcare for our community. My favorite part of Voyage Clinics is the style of care that we provide to families, and it's just beautiful. I went into medicine to take really good care of people, and I think the system right now whips people through 5-10-minute visits at the normal doctor's office after like a 45-minute wait in the waiting room. It's fatiguing, it's brutal, and it's not good for people, and it's not good for the doctors either. We don't love that. And so now at our clinic, we just have an annual membership, and we can see you as much as you want. And we usually see people every 30 to 60 minutes and spending time to get past the surface level care and get into the details of what's really going on. And it's been really fun. I've got lots of examples of this for our clients. One such example was this last Sunday, a kid was riding his bike and got a really big cut. And, instead of going to the ER or urgent care, he was able to just give us a call. We actually did a house call on this one, which is not a super common occurrence, but it does happen. And it was the weekend, so I just went to his house and we were able to sew him up and get him squared away. And that's just one of the ways that we save our families money and deliver really good care to them. These families often have insurance. In fact, most of our clients have insurance, and we still end up saving them money on an annual basis. They certainly get different kind of care than they would with their insurance card. But they also, just because of the constraints of the system, copays, confusion, the cost of healthcare, we're actually cognizant about the cost of healthcare for people. So I know how much a medicine costs cash and with insurance. And so when people go to pay for it with their insurance and they say, hey, it's this much copay, well, I can get that cash for $15 instead of $50 copay. So we just advocate for people in this current system. One example of advocating, I think this is so important. This was a son of one of my clients. Luckily she's a member. She calls me up. She's like, my son, he hurt himself at work and cut the tip of his finger off, and he's having a hard time getting in to an orthopedic surgeon. They saw him in the ER, they did some stitches, and then they just didn't get him. They said, here's the number. So he calls the number to the orthopedic surgeon, and they're like, oh, we're scheduled out 3 months. And this was a big deal. And so most people can't get through to the doctor. He came in, we got him squared away, got his dressings changed and everything set up. And I called my friend, an orthopedic hand surgeon, and we got him situated the next day. And so I just think it's really important to have a healthcare advocate who knows the system and is willing to go to bat for you in the very complex, very difficult to get into system. Again, welcome to Voyage Clinics. And for a full comprehensive list of the services that we offer, please go to our website, voyageclinics.com/services, and you can see everything that we do. We're really designed to be beautiful, affordable healthcare for our communities, for local families and businesses. And enjoy the journey.